Hello friends, it's time for another crystal day, and this time I am bringing to you Citrine. Citrine is my personal favorite because it is a manifesting stone. It is one of the greatest crystals to have when you're trying to manifest something. So when you're doing these exercises, like maybe the 5 times 5, or your gratitudes or your journals, or even if you're doing like the story one, anything, it's great to have this kind of crystal with you. This is my baby right here. This is my favorite citrine piece. It is raw, but there's something about citrine that you don't know. There's not a lot of natural ones, and they're actually pretty rare. The citrine that you do get, 90% of the time, that crystal is either amethyst or smoky quartz heat treated. And these crystals come from Brazil usually, and heat treating them will actually turn them into citrine. Natural citrine is pale yellow, so it's going to have a very pale look. More similar kind of to that color, and it has a formation, but most of the time if you see where the white is, if you see that it's white on the bottom, most likely that has been treated. So this one is about as natural as I'm going to get. You don't see any white pieces on it, but a lot of citrine you're going to see is going to have white on it. Citrine is a good energy stone for manifesting, and that's because it radiates happiness, light, and it kind of pushes away a lot of negativity. So if you're trying to manifest, you're trying to focus on your goals, it's good to have that around because it's going to kind of clear any negative vibes that might be around you, around the people around you. When you pair crystals together, what it's doing is combining the energies to bring a different kind of energy with that comparison. And with citrine, I like to compare citrine with black jade and pyrite. Together, those three make a great money magnet energy. I kind of showed this on the last one. I carry in a necklace. These cage necklaces only cost about $2 to $4, and you can get your small stones and replace them, change them up. This is the empty chain necklace, and it's my citrine, and you can tell this one has been treated, but the energy still works the same for it. And again, when you do the citrine, it's all about if it vibrates right with you. So even if it's not exactly natural, still good. That one's pyrite. And black jade. And then you just put them all in that little thing right there, and that combination is very good. I like to wear it around whenever I'm going to, or whenever actually I'm low on money and I want to find money or to come up with ideas to make a little extra income. That's my go-to. And if you have a little pouch, it's great to put this combination also in your wallet and carry it around in your wallet. Now, my favorite piece of citrine was with me today because I was preparing to do this video, so I carried it around today just to energize it. And a lot of times when I'm doing something big, this piece was with me actually when I went to get my car, when I went to come see this house that we just moved into. And it's one of those things where it's like I want to have those good vibes and I want to carry it with me, and so citrine comes with me, my friend. Now this one's a big one, so I can't wear it as a necklace, but I do sometimes carry it in a pouch. It's too big to wear, in the bra and all that stuff like that, but I do keep it in my pocket. I just make sure I have a really good deep pocket so it doesn't fall out though. So Miss Citrine was with me today when I was at the store and decided, hey, I am going to get a scratch ticket. So let's actually see if the energy with this stone helped me pick out a good scratch ticket. So that's the one I have. that, you know, when I had my stone, and I felt good about getting this one. So let's see what that one does. Miss Citrine did not let me down. Okay, so I did get double my money back, so I did win. So thank you, Citrine, because whoops, no, that's right. So I did get 20 from my $10, so it did not let me down. It doubled my money, so it worked. And this is without me giving it a job to do. And this is what I mean about giving it a job to do. A lot of times if I have a certain goal I want to achieve during the day, I will sit there and I'll talk to her and I'm like, you know what, help me find a good deal. Let me find some money today. And it's just whatever it is. And then I just kind of hold it, feel the energy, let it heat up, and feel the energy, put it in my pocket, and then go on. What are the healing powers of citrine? Citrine is great for self-help. If you are using citrine for your chakras, your solar plexus is the one that citrine is most used for. If you're into feng shui, well, then citrine is a fire energy. Again, it's pretty much a light energy, to where you want to place it in the center of your home or the center of wherever you're placing it, to bring light energy to surround that area. Physically, citrine is good for your metabolism and digestive system, and also your spine. So if you're having spine issues, if you're trying to lose weight, or any digestive issues, it's good to kind of carry that around with you all day. Again, pouch, pocket. If you have the stones, you can carry it close to your skin, or you can wear it as jewelry, and that's like the easiest way to keep it in contact with you. Remember to cleanse your crystals once you've worn them like a lot, or have them around with you, or other people has touched them, because people can transfer their energy onto you. I am going to be giving away a citrine stone at the end of this month, so if you want to be entered into this giveaway, just comment "I'm in." If you use citrine and want to share with us how you use it and what benefits it has given you, please comment below. I love reading your comments. Keep asking questions. I do answer everybody's comments. If you know anybody who is interested in crystals or wants to learn more about manifesting and making their life better, then please share this video. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time.